To make the candy part of it, the factory combines liquid sugar, corn syrup, coconut oil, and molasses. They mix and heat these ingredients for about 8 minutes. Once the rework has mixed with the hot new candy, they empty the bowl onto a cold stainless steel table. There, they make a pocket in the center and fill it with vanilla extract. They start up the pulling machine, which stretches the candy non-stop for about 5 minutes. This infuses the candy with air, so that its consistency resembles taffy rather than hard candy. They transfer the candy to a belt that carries it to the weaving machine. The machine's rollers flatten the candy into a thin sheet. Then a pump draws piping hot peanut butter from this tank and deposits it in a generous layer onto the candy sheet. Workers roll up the sheet until it reaches a specific diameter. At that point, they fold and place it on a sheet without peanut butter called a blank sheet. The next roller presses the folded roll flat onto the blank sheet. Workers roll up the blank sheet, sealing the peanut butter candy inside. This complex assembly is what forms the flaky layers in the chocolate bar's center. Workers round the sheet between 2 rollers and feed it to the rope sizer. It stretches the peanut butter candy into a rope that's the exact diameter of the chocolate bar's center. The next machine makes a pinch mark every 5 inches, or the length of a chocolate bar. The linked centers enter a cooling tunnel. They exit 5 minutes later rigid. The links separate as they drop to the next conveyor belt. They pass through a second refrigerated tunnel, which finishes cooling them. The centers move into lanes that feed the enrober, a machine that coats the centers with chocolate. Workers make sure the centers are single file and properly spaced. The enrober is like a confectionery car wash. Centers pass through a hot rinse of milk chocolate first. Then an overhead dryer blows off any excess, leaving behind a 3mm layer of chocolate.